Hello and welcome to English 107, English Composition 2. I'm Amy Lakin. English 107 is the second composition course that AIU students are required to complete. This course will focus on argumentative writing and online academic research. In English 106, you learned about and practiced good writing. You probably remember that a strong essay begins with an introduction paragraph and a clear thesis statement. Then you develop the reasons or support for the thesis statement in the body paragraphs. Finally, strong essays end with a conclusion paragraph that reiterates the thesis and main points and provides the reader with a sense of closure. English 107 will build on this foundation of good writing. We will first explore creating a logical argument. That is, how to present your opinion on an issue where many people disagree. You will soon understand that it isn't enough to just have an opinion. You must also incorporate evidence that shows your opinion is valid. It can sometimes be difficult to exchange ideas with others who disagree with us, but the discussion board debates are good practice for maintaining a professional tone and respecting other people's opinions. Let's take a look at what you will be doing over the next 10 weeks. During the first 5 weeks, you and your classmates will research the same 2 topics and debate your opinions about those topics via the discussion board. This allows you to practice logically stating your opinions while using source information for support and counter-arguing opposing views, that is, people who disagree with your points. Here's an overview of the assignments you will complete during weeks 1 through 5. In week 1, you are exploring the topic choices. In week 2, you will research course topic number 1 and write 2 paragraphs for your Unit 2 individual project. The following week, you will present your opinion about topic 1 to the discussion board and counter-argue opposing views. Units 4 and 5 follow that same pattern of researching and writing for the individual project and presenting your opinion and counter-arguing the opposing view in the discussion board. The work you complete in weeks 1 through 5 can and should be reused during the second half of the term. You will decide which of those 2 topics to use for your own research paper. Then you will continue to research and analyze that topic and use the writing process to draft a formal research paper. Specifically, you will draft a working thesis statement and outline of your research paper for the Unit 6 individual project. The Unit 7 discussion board assignment asks you to present your 3 main points that support your thesis statement and provide your classmates with feedback. You will then write the rough draft for the Unit 8 individual project, and the final draft is due at the end of the term. You will reflect on what you've learned and the writing tools that helped you succeed for the Unit 9 discussion board. So that is an overview of the work you will be completing this term. You can think of the first 5 weeks as time to explore the 2 course topics and generate initial ideas about both of them. You have the opportunity to see how other students respond to the 2 topics during the Units 3 and 5 discussion board assignments, or debates. You will then turn your focus to your own research paper during the second 5 weeks of the term. Take what you've learned and dive deeper into discovering more information on one of the topics in order to create a well-written and well-researched paper. It's great that you've taken this time to familiarize yourself with the course. So, are you ready to get to work?